You know about Tibet?
No.
Yo, this is the first time.
This is the first time I have seen it.
Very, very kind-hearted. Really, very good. So therefore, we, our children, is grown up within that atmosphere. So that I think really makes difference. I think immense impact.
After being recognized as the 14th Dalai Lama, the young boy was taken to Lhasa, where in 1940, at the age of 5, he was officially installed as the spiritual leader of the people of Tibet, and his formal education started. In 1950, due to the Chinese invasion of Tibet, His Holiness was officially enthroned as the temporal leader of 6 million people of Tibet at the age of 15, making him the youngest Dalai Lama. The next 9 years, he worked hard to keep peace between the Tibetan people and Chinese army. However, the situation worsened, and at last in 1959, His Holiness, along with his retinue, fled Tibet and took exile in India, where he later set up the government of Tibet in Dharamsala, often referred to as Little Lhasa, with the sole aim of resettling and preserving cultural traditions of the Tibetan people. In his long journey of life, the Dalai Lama has spent the life of a true bodhisattva, committed to benefiting society. He has written numerous books and conducted hundreds of conferences, lectures and workshops at major universities and institutions throughout the world, discussing engaged. He is often described as charismatic.
जिसको ताकने से हमें ताकत प्राप्त है, ऐसी ऊर्जा निर्मित करने वाला आदमी। आपका थोड़ा भी परिचय हो जाए तो आप कहाँ कैसे पकड़ेंगे कि मानो सालों से आपके साथ उसका घनिष्ठ संबंध कहीं से इतना स्नेह और आदर देते हैं।
His message is always one of peace and compassion for people all over the world. He has met many world leaders and has visited more than 70 countries. During his travels abroad, he has stressed the need for a better understanding of and respect among different faiths of the world.
India, 1,000 years, I think more than 3,000 years, the concept of non-violence, concept of peace, harmony. These are something, I feel, living example of this time.
On peace, he has been bestowed with the Nobel Peace Prize. For his commitment to the creed of non-violence, Norway's Nobel Committee likened him to Mahatma Gandhi when it awarded its Peace Prize in 1989.
I always consider myself as one follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, his non-violence view or non-violent practice is something very, very relevant to this world.
This is the first time you know about His Holiness the Dalai Lama?
Dalai Lama, I know.
You know about Tibet?
No.
Yo, this is the first time.
This is the first time I have seen it.
So this video is helpful?
Yes.
अच्छा, फिर आप भी फर्स्ट
For
टाइम
millions of his followers,
यहाँ पर पहली बार आया?
This is third time.
Third time?
Video, I'm just watching it for the first time.
Oh, okay. This is great, right?
his
Yeah.
message of compassion,
It's a wonderful message.
selflessness and peace
Yeah.
has made him
It's
a
great that you know
spokesman for
about
the troubled
His Holiness through this video.
He calls
Thank you.
himself a Buddhist.